below. This is Triple M channel. First, you need vocal room. You can use cardboard and foam for make a vocal room. There should be enough space. And you can install the door for your vocal room. It is better to put a glass window. All things you need. 1. Microphone. Condenser microphone are the best choice. You need microphone stand. And shock mount and pop shield can be used for better recording. 2. XLR cable. You can connect microphone to sound card with this cable for fast data transportation. 3. Audio interface. The sound card has XLR input. It also has audio output for headphones. Studio headphones has a 1.8 jack. There is a USB port on the back of the audio interface device that connects to the computer. And left and right audio outputs to connect to monitoring speakers. Please don't forget like and subscribe.